Good morning. My name is Vincent Wadia, and I represent Fastnet Africa. And currently, what we are doing is presenting to you a platform where you can study. You can study all international recognized certification programs. This is a platform which is actually being used in the Netherlands, in England, in the USA, especially for people who want to change career. The platform is being opened for a period of 1 year, 2 year, or 3 years, where you can do any professional course that you desire. Without wasting too much time, let me just delve into the platform and then take a look at what you can do and how the platform works and all that, so that when you have request invitation, we send you a link where you can log in and do your studies. This is actually for institutions, universities, polytechnics, commercial institutions where they want to add a platform of e-learning courses to whatever they are teaching. So basically, without wasting too much time, let us go and see what we have. So you get a link from us, and then that's Fastnet Academy. But this can be customized to suit your own school's platform. We can, for instance, this is XYZ University. We can say XYZ University e-learning platform or a career development portal. It could be for a government. It could be for any organization who actually wants to own an e-learning platform. So all you see here can be customized to suit exactly what you are looking for. Let us look at some IT careers we have here. For instance, we have IT infrastructure technician, we have cyber security, we have network engineer, we have software engineer, we have cloud specialist. These are key IT areas hot in demand currently in the whole world. If you are an IT infrastructure technician, definitely to get work is not a difficult. If you are cyber security specialist, that is hot cake. Let us look at what it entails to become a cyber security expert. We click on that, and we we are going to have exactly what it takes to become a cyber security expert. To become a cyber security expert, the course, you have a live lab, 24/7 live help included, and you have 4 examination, 2 year access. Actually, the cost here is for an individual. If an individual wants to take a course, that's how much it costs. But for institutions, we do sell in bulk, so the prices are normally cheaper than doing it as an individual. So this is what it entails. The topics of the courses and all that is shown here. We have guidance and career counseling session who will help you to do. But before you can become a cybersecurity, in your first year, we advise you to take CompTIA A plus certification. There are 2 exams. We have the 220 1001 and then 220,002. These are the basics you need to become a cybersecurity expert. Then the second year, what you do is cybersecurity. You do CompTIA Network Plus. That tells you about networking systems and all that. And then the same year, and the second half, you do CompTIA Cybersecurity Plus. So in all, you'll be writing 4 exams to make you a cybersecurity expert. Let us log in into the area and have a feel of, for instance, CompTIA A plus certification. We can copy the name from here, CompTIA A plus, CompTIA A plus certification. We copy it, just copy, and then we log in as a student, and we'll give you the details to your login details and all that, and then your password. Now you have access to the platform where you can study. There are a lot of courses over, but several courses. I can't exaggerate, but there are a lot of courses, over 1,500 different courses over here, which are all international certified courses, that hotcake courses that are in high demand. It's not courses that when you complete, you are not going to get a job. Some institutions charge so much but at the end of the students are not able to find jobs. But with this e-learning platform, which is being used in Europe, in Netherlands, in USA, we are bringing it right to your doorstep in Ghana. All you need is your internet, your laptop, or your tablet, and then you are good to go. For instance, let's paste CompTIA A plus certification here. It's with 2 exams. Let's take the exams out, and then let's do the search. Click on search, and then we have CompTIA A plus certification. These are all books that you can read. Apart from the video lessons you get, you have also books that you can read, all available books that you can read concerning your course. But then let's go straight to see the channels. We have 2 channels representing. We have A plus certification. This is exactly what we are looking for. And we also have Certified Information System Security Professional, CCIP. That's not what we are looking for. We are looking at A plus for now. So you click on A plus, and then it tells you CompTIA A plus. Prepare to become A plus certified by acquiring fundamental knowledge of supporting hardware and software technologies in an IT infrastructure. This is the basic course anyone who wants to go into IT will have to have in order to get a glimpse of, or to get an idea of what the basics are in computing. So let's take a look. We have video courses that you have to watch under the A plus certification. 101, that's the first part. These are all topics that are in video that you can watch and take a test. When we come up again, we scroll up, we can see what you can read, right? These are all documents in PDFs that you can read. These are guides that you can read to prepare you for your examinations. You understand? This platform could be open for 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, depending on how fast you want to go. We also have practice, that there are labs that you could practice, test practice. You can prepare test practice, right, and take a test practice, and then you are good to go for your examination. Let's briefly watch a video and see how it goes. For instance, we looking at hard drive systems. That's the first topic in 1001 A plus. Let's click on start the course.
Still a form of storage, but it's temporary storage.
So it's talking about.
So it holds the files that I'm working with at this point.
Let's click on watch the hard drive.
Title.
This is the first
hard
topic.
Drive types. The presenter is Aaron Sampson.
In this presentation, we'll introduce the hard disk drive, or
you can also enlarge
as the hard drive. And you can think of the hard drive as the file cabinet of your system. It's where you store data.
Hard disk drive systems.
So all of your documents, your music, your pictures, your videos, anything will go on the hard drive, and that's where it can be located when you need it. And it usually offers fairly fast access.
So let's fast forward to see what this means.
Referred to as a platter.
So it's talking about hard drives. It's a topic in hard drives,
which is the motor,
and it's giving the parts of the hard drive. So basically, if you enroll, you have access to all this at your fingertips, where anytime, anywhere, no matter where you are, so long as you have internet, a tablet, or a tablet or laptop, you are good to go. So this is basically about CompTIA A plus. After, you can take a test by clicking take a test, and then you start a test, and then the questions appear. CompTIA A plus, installing hardware and display components, 11 questions. Then the question goes, which display technology does not require additional lighting? And if you know the answer, you select, and then you save, and then you move on to the next question. At the end of it, it gives you your total marks. And then once you've gone through all this program, you go back to write your exams at any test center. I think in Accra there are about 4 or 5 test centers. In Kumasi there are test centers. Institutions also who wants to have their own test center can contact us. We can arrange to create a test center at your institution. This does not require you can stay anywhere, register with the institution, and then have access to all these courses. Let's take a look at another course, for instance, cyber security. So when you click on cybersecurity, you have a list of cybersecurity courses coming over there. We have 9 channels. So you decide here again, our guidance and counseling section will help you to decide what you need to become what. Because if you don't know, you just be doing anything. But these are courses that we want to encourage people to undertake so they can fill the job market. Cybersecurity alone in the US this year requires 1 million personnel to work in the cybersecurity expert just in the US. In Ghana is the same. In Europe, there's high demand for cybersecurity. Not only cybersecurity, software engineers, developers, programmers, project managers, a whole host of courses that are available on this platform that you can study. For instance, let's take a look at cybersecurity A plus, CompTIA Cybersecurity Plus. Yes, then it goes along with all your topics under that course in video, and then you have access also to take a test, and then you can also read the following guides and books about what you are doing. You have access to all this when you register with us, and then you can also do a practice. These are all labs. You go into the lab. Let's take a look at the lab. Let's start the lab and see what happens in the lab. So here is the lab. It gives you instruction on what to do, and once you follow the instruction, it's going to open the lab for you, identify different cyber attacks. It gives you instruction before you go into the lab. There are instruction, and we can help you go through all that. When you have any question, you can ask us, and we'll be able to guide you. These are all how the labs work, but they work more than you are just seeing. You can also click on this. You do a practice, right? You also have reports, and then you also have settings and customization according to where you are. You can change your time zone. You can log into the server from outside into a server that you do your lab practice. So all these things are available at your fingertips. Tell me where you can find all this. This is what is happening in Europe and in America, and we've brought it down to Africa. Thanks to Fastnet Africa for bringing this to us. This is something that is going to be a game changer in the things that people study. It's not just about theory. These are practical things that you study, even though it's online. So without wasting much time, we have to finally log off and say goodbye. If you have any questions, do contact us. My telephone number is +233 055 761 4483. If you want to call me in the Netherlands as well, it's +31 063 94 61355. That's my number. You can also email me at vincent@fastnetafrica.com or info@fastnetafrica.com. You can also contact us on WhatsApp with the same telephone number. Thank you very much, and have a good